Alright, there is something I'd like to show you on this very far right elevator car right here. Unlike these two, they received nothing, but this one received a little bit of change. And you're gonna see why once I go inside. So let's call it. Alright, here it is. Alright, so as you see right here, this is what I want to show you. Look at this. Look at this right here. They actually put in a new floor indicator. This is something I have never seen before. Justin, I'm sure you're gonna love this. All right, let's go to 7. I love it when the door closes and you push the button. Wow, this is awesome. Hey Justin, I know you love Montgomery Elevators, so do you know what kind of floor indicator that is? Because that definitely replaced a VFD floor indicator, unlike the smaller elevators with the center opening doors. I'm gonna go for one more ride. This is quite awesome. But other than that, the elevator car just looks exactly the same it is, and I am definitely glad these are still original and not modernized. Which I really hope they don't. There's your phone. We'll go for one more ride. I mean, the color is still the exact same, but the indicator font is different now. We'll go for one more ride and that'll be it. I'm gonna get a close-up view of that floor indicator. This is awesome. Texas A&M did a fantastic job fixing this up. Texas A&M, you did a great job on this. All right, let's go back down to 1 to end there. Because I remember the last time I came here, that floor indicator was completely burned out. It was completely blank the last time, but I came here today and I'm glad that they fixed it up. Or they actually replaced a new one. Yeah, they definitely replaced that original VFD floor indicator. But anyways, here we are at 1. We'll watch the button go out. And here we are. This was definitely an awesome find. Definitely the best find out there. Get your lantern right there. All right, there it goes. And that's it.